to do. Just about a minute left in this first half. Could we see a third Kenyan try? Adongo with the easiest of finishes. Kenya pouncing on the Canadian errors to match the silky skills.
Try for his country. Outstanding work.
Brilliant end to a terrific morning session of Sevens rugby. Final score. Offload again. And Bianca Silva could make it 2 tries in as many minutes. Brazil absolutely ruthless. Asiara. Brazil will give Kenya another chance. Quick tap, ball out wide. And the crowd goes crazy. Kenya take the lead. And do you think they're excited, Tom?